Greetings Earthlings and welcome back to my humble little channel. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Hope you guys are enjoying the content as I share with you guys my latest installations. So this week we got a brand new installation. It's a living room home theater that includes a BENQ projector and a nice Cirrus 110-inch gray screen. This was a remodel renovation, and so the HT is in their main living space, so it's a shared space. But it looks super slick and clean, sounds wonderful. So just check. Feel free to leave any comments in the comment section, and of course, questions if you have any. Let's check out the video right after the intro. So let's take a closer look at the equipment used in this install. For our receiver, we went with the Denon S960H, very capable 7.2 Atmos receiver, configured in 5.2. For our center channel, we went with the JBL Studio Series I center channel. The customer did want to go with his existing equipment and some pieces that he has collected along the way, with future plans to update and upgrade when possible. For front, left, and right, again keeping it budget friendly, we have the Polk Audio 600 series left and right speakers, as well as for dual subs, we had a couple of eco-friendly second-hand 8-inch subwoofers. We have a Definitive Technology as well as an Energy subwoofer for the low end. Now the screen, on the other hand, was important to him as he wanted to have a gray screen, so we went with the Cirrus Strata gray screen, 110-inch, pretty standard install. We put together the frame. The only difference I found was that you had to insert all the springs yourself as we stretched out the fabric all the way around. But other than that, very nicely packaged, very secure and safe, and it turned out really nice in the modern, newly renovated room. For our visuals, we went with the highly rated and very affordable BENQ TK800 DLP projector, boasting 4K at 60 Hz, up to 10,000 hours of lamp life, as well as 3,000 ANSI lumens. For our rear channels, we needed a small white satellite solution, so we went with a couple of acoustic audios from Amazon to give us that 5.2 surround sound we were looking for. And as you can see, that gray screen, once the lights are off, allows those contrasts and colors to really pop. If you're in the Edmonton area, find me at vibeinstalls@gmail.com. If you're enjoying the content, please consider subscribing or liking the video or following us on Instagram. So thanks for choosing Vibe, where video installs become easy, and thanks for watching.